to ride rides, and we're going to see some animals. And right now, it is 12:48. We would have gone earlier this morning, but we want to stay in the parks later, and I can't make it the whole day from morning till night. So Animal Kingdom closes at 7 tonight, so it's not going to be too late. So we've just explored Give Kids the World this morning, and now we're on our way. So I will see you in a little. So we're at Animal Kingdom, and this is what it looks like when you come in. So very different from Magic Kingdom. Look at their parrots! I wonder if they talk at all.
Yes, they say hola.
Hola! So pretty.
No, we're gonna go do other stuff first.
The rainbow macaws. I call them rainbow macaws. I know.
Stop right now. Leslie, can you just... Hello, and welcome to the Animal Kingdom. You will see in front of me the beautiful Tree of Life. That is what we're waiting for. That is the show we have anticipated. This is what it's all come down to. The day Haley Fobar has waited and wanted for. We are finally here.
We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King. Welcome to our world. Oh, you this day. Welcome to our world, you petty ruler.
So what are we on?
The train ride.
Oh, the safari ride in Animal Kingdom. What animals are you hoping to see?
Deer.
Deer? I don't think they'll have deer.
Bear. Black rhino.
I don't know if they have bears.
Black rhino and white rhino.
Oh yeah. Are you on a giraffe? Oh, you were reading off the list?
Yeah.
Here's a list so we can identify animals. Oh, we're about to go and we're super duper high up. Whoa! Whoa!
7 to 10 miles an hour on land.
Are they like sleeping with their
Crocodiles
mouths
cannot
open?
regulate their body temperature by holding those mighty jaws up. Did
Whoa!
you know a crocodile can be as long as a giraffe
Those
is tall?
are huge.
Crocodile.
That's huge.
Some giraffes can be
Giraffes!
50 feet tall. Each giraffe has
Giraffes!
a very elegant pattern.
Oh my gosh! Hi!
The word giraffe itself
Coming
is
towards us.
graceful, with the Swahili word for giraffe being
He's
twiga.
so tall.
They'll feed a good 80% of the day.
Is he gonna come
Sleep
up
very
to the
little,
truck?
oftentimes just standing.
Elephants! Look
Even
at
if
them!
they weigh in around 200 to 300 pounds.
Look at
There's
it!
another elephant that raises any young ones for herself.
Aww, so cute! Look at it! Look how huge it is! It's
Right out of
huge!
small trucks at about 35 miles an hour. Look at the size of those horns. Poachulus horns, made out of keratin, just like our hair and fingernails.
Oh my gosh, he's huge!
Massive rib cage, enormous horns. Not afraid to charge.
Oh,
To the right side, more white rhinos and some ostriches in the background. They appear to be females. They have great feathers.
Ooh.
They're dominant in the full of black feathers. You should chalk the brown antler by the monkey buck. Extinct in the wild.
that was so cool! Zebras!
Got to be the same. The zebras are very powerful animal. They can fracture the jaw of an attacking lion with one swift kick to the back leg.
I have no idea what time it is, but so far we've done the safari. We saw the Lion King here at Animal Kingdom, which is amazing. Go if you can. And then me and my brother Justin just got some snacks, but they had the whole gluten-free hot soap for us from Starbucks.
Music sticker.
Oh man!
Yeah, but I think that made
That is all plastic.
That is the ride we're going on.
No, we're not.
Not you. You don't have to go.
Just got to Dino Land USA here. There's a giant dinosaur. So we're in Dino Land, and there's a giant snowman and a weird looking dinosaur, some Christmas decorations, and then there's like a truck and a store and a roller coaster and some more rides and festival games and stuff. And Goofy, Joe Sebastiano was over there, but they left. So Justin, what has your favorite thing we've done so far today been? What? Oh, you mean the safari?
No, this.
Oh, that? You like that?
Yeah, so you go around to different places in the park and collect these little stickers.
We saw Goofy, Joe Sebastian, and Claus at a meet and greet spot. So we really wanted to see them, but by the time we were off the ride, they were gone, but yet there was still a line of people. So I thought, okay, maybe they'll come back in a few minutes or so. And they did. And the Genie Pass has at least so far worked for us, character lines and stuff. They spent like really long with us. It was Goofy and Pluto, and they were hilarious. I was laughing so hard because I was standing by Pluto and he kept putting his paw over my face every time they tried to take a picture, and then they kept standing like they were doing like the mannequin challenge, and then the person taking pictures would have to like tickle them to get them moving. They were really funny, and I got autographs and pictures. Now my parents are buying a dinosaur shirt for Justin. Oh, and a stuffed dinosaur. The dig site is right there, the bridge, and then there's like a big play area over there.
Hey, Joshie, what you doing, bud?
So we just took a picture in front of the Tree of Life. I'll insert it in this video somewhere. So we're on our way just trying to find characters. And Joshua is looking at the swords. What's been your favorite part of the day? Other than the, yeah. Oh, getting your stuffy? Your new stuffy?
Here, he is my biggest stuffy yet.
He is your biggest stuffy yet. Have you thought of a name?